This is Economics of Class 9th, Lesson 1. The Story of Village Palampur. In previous recording of the video, I am explaining about the economic activity of village Palampur. Now, this is the non-economic activity of village Palampur. Before explaining the non-economic activity, I explain the chart of human activity, that you can easily understand the economic activity. Human activity divide into two parts: economic activity and non-economic activity. Economic activity also having in two ways: production and consumption. Production divide into three layers: primary, secondary and tertiary, or you can say the service sector. The economic activities are three types: primary economic activity, secondary economic activity and tertiary economic activity. You have already known in previous section about this. So, now I am talking about the non-economic activities. What is non-economic activities? Non-economic activities are performed by person for pleasure, out of love and affection, or out of pity. That is, any act which is not done for money is a non-economic activity. Just like I give some example in a two-way, economic and non-economic. A student who plays cricket for his own pleasure, it is a non-economic activity. In the same way, a cricket player plays cricket in 2020 for earning money. So here both are playing cricket, but one is for the enjoyment and not get the money, and second is getting money in exchange of playing cricket. So when a student play cricket, that is non-economic activity, and when a cricketer play in a particular tournament, then they are playing for earning money. Secondly, I give one more good example. Mother cooks food for her child out of love and affection. They don't earn any money. On the other hand, a cook cooks food in hotel for earning money. So, when the cook food for hotel, that is a economic activity. But when the mother cooks food for her child, that is non-economic activity. I think all you are clear about the non-economic activity. So, I give you few questions on that. and you will write the answer of the question first. Try your best. That is very easy question and I will give you the question.